Hello everyone, good afternoon. So on this video guys, I'm going to be showing to you how to make your kids hair at home, especially for mom who have girls. Spending money at the salon is not easy, especially when you have more than one girl, two, three girls. Spending money is very, very difficult. So this video, I'm going to be showing you the easy way to make your boss braid at home. So if you know how to make groundnut hair, so just follow the process. After cutting your hair, guys, just think as if you are using your thread to be making that groundnut hair. That's the easiest hair every mother can make at home. So that's the process I'm using, like as if you're making groundnut hair. But this one I'm just taking it as if I'm using attachments. So I'm going to be repeating this process. So you have to stay tuned and watch in the very end so you get the how to pick it from after twisting using the attachment around, and how to hold it firm so the thing will not draw away from your hands. So mothers, if you know you have a big girl, so this video is for you. And for those who just want to learn how to make hair, this video is also for you. So it's not for professionals already, it's for people who just want to learn how to make hair. Especially this video, especially for mothers. So watch the other step I'm going to make. I'm going to explain it in the full details. So try to watch to the very end so you will not miss any step from this very video. So on the very this one, I'm done with this very one now. So the other one I'm going to cut, I'm going to explain it on very good detail. So after cutting the hair, so it's like you're going to use your attachment now to make that granite hair. That's what we call it, granite. So just try to twist the attachment around the hair. After that, so you see what I'm going to do now. You hold the hair separate and hold it very firm at the end, so that, because if you don't hold it very strong, it's going to cut out. It's going to move out. So start weaving. Then if the baby hair is long, so at the middle, try to separate the hair and add it to the attachment, so that the hair children hair are very slippery. The hair, before you know it, will just draw out. So try to separate those hair and add it to the attachments, and that is just it. So simple. I'm going to repeat the process again. Then at the end of it, just try to tie it, and that's all, guys. So I'm going to repeat this process again. Please, if you don't get it now, the more you keep looking, and you will definitely understand. And if you try this here at home, please let me know how it goes. And if there's any other type of hair you want me to come up with, you don't understand, just let me go. Okay, guys, keep watching until we meet again. Never you forget, we are the light of the world. Thank you for my subscriber. Thank you for all my watcher. Thank you. Please keep sharing my video and keep subscribing. Thank you, guys. Bye.